This is a 36-inch Lasco ceiling fan. Model number 3600L. I got this today from Sean Brown, who is the one of the two administrators of the DT Vintage Fan forums and the website owner. He sent this to me free. You know, I wasn't even expecting it. I got a brown and brass Hunter original brown motor brass plate from him, and I'd show that, except I don't feel comfortable hanging it on this setup. It's a really crappy built house, and I don't want the garage doors to collapse. So, you know, until I can find a new way to show it. You'll have to wait. But I can show this one. It's really light. Like I said, 36-inch Lasco, 3600L. And it's a pretty cool fan. It's all plastic, pretty much. Even the blades are plastic. It's missing the light kit that it comes with. Yeah, it's kind of a funky looking plastic cover. You can't really describe it. But anyway, you can see it in the DT galleries. Just go to fans.dangeroustacos.com, click on the galleries, and then Lasco, and Brian has a picture of a beige one like this with the light. So yeah, that round cover there, little white thing, that's not original. Anyway, I'll switch the fan on. That runs pretty well. Got a slight wobble to it, but that's okay. You know. Certainly better than that Kmart crap thing I showed you. It's like it runs pretty well. Pretty much a modest breeze. That ticking is the spring for this garage door. It's not the fan. I think this would be a good fan in like a kitchen or such. We don't really need a big one, but you know, I don't know where I'll use that. It's a 36-inch fan, like I said, and my bedroom is 14 feet by 12 feet, so it's not going to go in there. I got my A52 in there. Got a pretty good spin down time. But since I want to show reversing, I'm just going to stop it like this. Now it's in updraft mode. And now you can see its spin down time. Now it's still making noise. So originally I thought it was like more than 3 speeds, but it's not. This is off. It'll stop eventually. But it's a pretty cool fan. You know, nothing really amazingly high quality. It's all plastic, like I said. But it's still cool. I mean, I like it. I was originally going to buy this one from him to use on the downstairs of my house in the town of Willis, Texas. And then I got well, I don't have it yet, but I will be getting a brass original from Mr. Bill Kreiner. Call admin at DT, and all around great guy. So then I told him that I wouldn't need to be buying this one, but he just sent it to me. I guess he knew I was interested in it. I really like this design on the blades. It's pretty unique. You know. But yeah, I really like this fan a lot. It's a nice fan. My brother's leaving. It's his girlfriend's car outside. Speaking of stuff for my house in Willis, though, I went to the downtown Habitat store here in San Antonio. And the ceiling fan selection is pretty crappy there. Had a couple Littletons or something like that looked to be in really crappy condition sitting on the floor, and some kind of wicker fan with one of its blades missing and the other ones are all bent up, and some other bladeless, dirty looking crap stuff. But the store itself is huge. It's really cool. But I got a door there. A new door for that house. And I'm going to show it to you. So I'll just adjust this. You can see my lamp. It's very dark in this garage. Builders found it prudent to put in the one light up there and the one light up there. Ow! For this garage, which is a 3-car garage. It's quite large. Anyway, it's kind of stupid. That's what you get in cookie cutter housing. Here's the door. I think it's pretty nice, you know. I like the little window in the middle with the kind of grill there. But enough of that. Oh yeah, there's pics of that on the DT forums also, in the general forum. But there's the Lasco ceiling fan. Hope you enjoyed.